Here we will write a program for swapping of two elements in a list using third variable. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, then in comment line we will write the program description. Then first we will define the list of name L and we will store the values in it. Then we will accept the positions of swapping variables from the user. In P1 we will accept the first index of the swapping variable. So P1 equal to int input enter first position. Then in P2 we will accept second position. Then in temp variable we will store P1 position of list. So temp equal to L of P1. Then at L of P1 we will store L of P2 and then L of P2 equal to temp. Before this we will print the original list before swapping, and we will use print statement with L. So print L, and after swapping we will print list after swapping using third variable, and again we will print L. Then we will save it. Swapping using third variable .py, and we will run it. Here first it will print original list before swapping 27439. Then I will enter first position as 1 and second position as 3. So it will swap the numbers. First position is 7 and third position is 3. After swapping, at first position it will print 3 and at third position it will print 7.